I have four-time world champion Steve Torrence here. Now, Steve, a lot of people have come together, collaborated to make this event one of a kind and happen. Where do you fit in the picture?
So I'm a board member of the pro organization and also just a participant. So we're going to be able to compete in this awesome race that we're putting together. Been here since the inception of the idea and watching it grow. And so to be at this point, to be at this place with this situation, with this race, it's very exciting. Honored to be part of it.
Now, when we announce this and this comes out to the public, there may be some things said of where we're coming out against sanctioning bodies or whatnot, but that is not what this event is about. It's about you guys coming together. So give us a little insight of the voices and how this came from a dream to a fruition.
Well, you know, absolutely, that's going to be the natural thought is it's a direct competition for NHRA, and that's not the point at all. It's a group of guys and girls that think that we have better ideas, a better way to do it, and wanting to bring something new, a different dynamic to drag racing that we feel will escalate the sport, escalate awareness to fans that may or may not be fans right now. And so we're moving in that direction. I think it's a great flow, and looking forward to seeing how this is going to go.
Let's skip over here. Now, you being involved on the board, forget that. Once we get there and you are the actual competitor there, your whole mindset's got to change. How awesome would this be to walk away as one of the first ones to grab that bag of cash?
Well, this is the biggest payday in drag racing history. So to mark your name down as number one, the first person to win that race, that's definitely on my bucket list. That's a check that I want to mark in that box. But it's about a whole lot more than that. I mean, it's just building something for the future, something that we can solidify our names in history and say Steve Torrence was part of that first race, the biggest race in history, the biggest payout in history. And so to do that with Flow Sports and to be able to have this opportunity is truly a blessing.
It's going to be amazing, and you will see him and many other stars of our sport at Bradenton Motorsports Park in February.